In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot sync issues in QuickBooks Time. By the end, you'll know how to get QuickBooks Time and your connected apps back in alignment so your hours, customers, and payroll data stay accurate. Start by logging in to your QuickBooks Time account on your desktop. The desktop interface gives you the full set of admin tools you'll need for this process. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side menu and select Feature Add-Ons. This is where all integrations live and where most sync problems can be identified and resolved. Under Manage Add-Ons, find the integration that's giving you trouble, such as QuickBooks Online Integration. Open the integration settings by clicking Preferences. Here, confirm that the connection is active and authorized. If you see that it's disconnected or expired, click Reconnect or sign in to reauthorize the integration. You may be prompted to grant permissions again. Allow those so the two systems can communicate. If you don't see these options, make sure you're signed in with the appropriate admin permissions. Next, verify that your employee, customer, and timesheet data match between QuickBooks Time and the connected app. Look for missing employees, outdated customer names, or timesheets that haven't appeared where you expect them. If anything looks off, use the Export or Sync Now button to manually push the latest data. This is often enough to clear a backlog or nudge a stalled sync. If you still notice discrepancies, review your custom fields, departments, also called groups, and job codes. Make sure all required fields are mapped correctly between QuickBooks Time and the connected app. For example, if your job codes in one system don't exactly match the other, you can end up with duplicates or unmapped time. Consistent naming and required field mapping are essential for a clean sync. If issues persist after those checks, uninstall the add-on and reinstall it. Click Uninstall, then install again, and follow the prompts to reconnect. Don't worry, removing the add-on does not delete your time data. It simply resets the connection and permissions so the systems can start fresh. Finally, confirm everything worked by verifying that timesheets, hours, and payroll data appear correctly in the connected app. Spot check recent entries, totals for the current pay period, and a few employee records to make sure the sync is consistent. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.